Kuya. Si Ay.
Sila ang mga pagkakamutan tapi sa pag ininaros ng isang kulate ko'y anak-ama ay naroon tapi sa ama alpasan ko'y pagkulang na saya ito kung may ama hindi mo itisyon din para ay matami kasi siguro kanila ang marapati ko'y tumpal talagang isuapin ko kayo may sabi lang ang ama sa magkakang tutunan ng aming ama na Mengayakkan berdepan segala pembangunan, istiqlal dan yang akan menambahkan. Ambil kami, kepada kita kita mengatur bahwa kita tidak mengatur ini bersama, bersama bersama. Amin. Nagbigay din po kami ng 100,000 divided into 2, male and female. So, 5,000 from candidate, plus 5
from District 3, male candidate, Akira Cardis Menchas. Let us also welcome our female candidate from District 3, Angelica May Gaines.
From District 3.
District President.
So, ako so, ibig sabihin, so 7,000 from District 3, Common District 1. 7,000. Last one. District 3. 7,000. Ang press. 8,000 pesos from District 3. Ayan. So 8,000 ako from District 3. Ay, nakapagay na ang press. Ako, nakakasili. Nakapagay ko ba? Bakit? Hindi ko talalo ako ng lugar. Bakit kung kasya ko, kapag ako ng isang masakyan. 8,000 pesos. Baba, nandiyan ako? Siya kita lunting. 8,000. Ingat na tayo kaya po. District 2, 10,000 from District 3. Yes? Kurang pa data? Ako kurang pa data ni press? Grabe na yung grabe press. So, District 3, request mo ng ating mga pagkasito baka mapadaw po 10,000 para sa kanila. Anyway, District 3, District 4, Baguio City. So, anyway, ilang ka naman ay magkakit niya ako. Bawal lang pati iPhone, cash lang ako kailangan. Awad, District 1, 10,000 from District 3. Tungtong na. Yan. Kinsingin. District 3. Okay. So, we're waiting for Tommy, of course. So, everyone, reminder ako, bawal ang Gcash, bawal ang cheque, bawal ang dulyan, bawal ang bring me something color.
What?
Bring me something color. Bring me something color. Maroon. Makita niyo ako di at kay kailangan ni kwarta sa kapisot. Awas sa mga kwarta kayo. Paisuhaan. Pagkamahan ka. Pagkamahan ka. Baguio 2025. Ito po lahat yun. So, ikani apat ikapit ni bawat district and one from the management. Later on, right after, may flash ang result ng bawat candidate. Okay. Maraming nagsasabi sa mga candidates, parents, officers, SPO, Sir Gary, thank you po, and of course, evaluators from the accounting department of the CCPI, and of course, from the PDSC department. So, thank you very much po sa... So, please, set your calendar because that will be the big event of Central Baguio to start the Christmas celebration. So, September 19 po, ang coronation night natin. 25, combined from first and passive, social box, capturing box, and the circuit box. Miss, the honor.
Good evening, everyone. I will announce first the rankings for our male candidates. Okay, so District 1, Mr. Michael Pugyao, garnered a total vote of 12,650 pesos. District 2, Mr. Haniloy National, garnered a total votes of 21,480 pesos. District 3, Mr. Akela Caris Mencias, garnered 100,677 pesos total votes. District 4, John Ray Magday, garnered 12,137 total votes. And our District 5 male candidate, Mr. Gian Allen Igot,
So, that is the result for me category. Let's start for the female category. Are you guys ready?
We will now be moving forward to the announcement of total votes for our female candidates. We started with female candidate from District 1, Ms. Christy Ann Nero. She garnered a total vote of 62,660.75 pesos. District 2, on the other hand, Ms. Saidi Nadejo garnered 60,000 pesos. District 3, Ms. District 4, Ms. Irish Joyce garnered 60,624 total votes. And District 5 garnered 30,168 total votes.
That's the result for
each candidate. And now we are going to announce your respective titles for this year's Mr. and Miss Central Baguio.
So, when we announce the fourth prince and fourth princess, please sit at the designated chair. Sir, our fourth prince.
This is your titles in this year's Mr. and Miss Central Baguio 2024. But before that, again, maraming salamat po sa mga effort at pagmamahal na binigay po ninyo sa ating mga candidate. From the management of the Central Baguio Archdiocese Committee and officers, maraming salamat po. More blessings to come and see you on Coronation Night. A round of